they carry like that. You want to spray me? Jesus. Oh, that thing when I talk to my papa, they talk to. My father is a bastard. What? If you give me another one again, I'll give you blowjob. What? Very sexy man. This guy, they try me. I mean, oh, bullshit. Bring my hold the money first. No, I want to hold the money. Oh, what's that? Osha, I'm gonna pull it closer. Baba. I like this M.O.P landlord. Can you become a landlord in Benin? Now, why people will not get sense? They always get money. DGN, I become crack job, but that guy don't provoke the Benin man in me. DGN, when I they come this show, your company, your fool. I've been at DGN life. Now your show, you just see the guy glory. Even M.O.P picture, when they go put his show, now your DGN construction. And you construct Nigeria. Not be here with the person when build Lagos, scatter Nigeria.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
DJ, hola. Time don't go. The show don't turn blue film. Let's follow that energy. Lagos boys heartless. So, Ayo, they use Christian music do masturbation. They want one of my guys. Ebuka new song. I am a soldier in the battlefield. That's how you go lose that battle. Nothing sweet, illiterate, cliche people who go school not get work. They can happy. My ex-girlfriend have told me I will not take shit in this relationship. Yesterday night she found out so can we. As we speak, she's in deep shit. Life now brain no. We the way get big yansh. Elders not they delay to bury your husband. I said let's do it fast. Time is ticking. And I always tell people, in this Lagos, who be all these guys? And then, bro, if not for anything, we have children at home, and they are watching us. All this one don't give up their life. These are Illuminati member. If you don't know one laugh, why not come this show? Hey, they will Lion Richie. M.O.P landlord. Not be first girls for Lagos. Sit down. Sit down. That they pet to now. I know they say Lagos are dead in me. Now be doing for that kill you. Come here at the crowd joke they talk. Who are you, you bitch? What did they do pay me? The guy not they will hear me. Who carry drunk and come show? Lion Richie, the guy they do like say no me. Alpha, Baba, I beg, sit down, I beg. I don't cost you, no work, nothing that will do you. Who marry you, bro? Who marry you? Oh, you be wife? Oh, sorry, oh, no verse. Wow, Yoruba Lady Gaga. No. Sure you don't sit down, no verse, no be joke. You will marry joke, no will hear joke. No, because bro, we be graduate, if not be work when not day. How come they cry job for drunkard? President, hey, you might be the prefer. Oh, how much you get? Now you first I get. I be thief. If I can't do you don't laugh, I'll rob you. M.O.P they carry like that. You want to spray me? Jesus. Oh, that thing when I talk to my papa, they talk to. My father is a bastard! What? If you give me another one again, I'll give you blowjob. What? Very sexy man. This guy, they try me. I mean, oh, bullshit. Bring my hold the money first. No, I want to hold the money. Oh, what's that? Osha, I'm gonna pull it closer. Baba. I like this M.O.P landlord. Can you become a landlord in Benin? Now, why people will not get sense, they always get money? DGN, I become crack joke, but that guy don't provoke the belief man in me. DGN, when I they come this show, your company, your fool. I've been at DGN life. Now your show, you just see the guy glory. Even M.O.P picture, when they go put his show, now your DGN construction. Are you construct Nigeria? Not be here with the person who build Lagos, scatter Nigeria.